girls, them good girls, them masterpiece of styling, smiling, living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent, gonna kiss myself, I'm so pretty. Too hot, hot yeah. With the police and the fireman, I'm too hot, hot yeah. With the drag, I wanna retire, man, I'm too hot, hot yeah. Say my name, you know who I am, I'm too hot, hot yeah. I'm bad about that money, bring it on. Girls said you hallelujah, girls said you hallelujah, girls said you hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you, cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you, cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night we in the spot, don't believe it, just watch. Don't believe it, just watch. Hey, don't believe it, just watch. 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 Hey, hey, hey,
Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up.
hey.
Uptown funk you up.
One more time. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up.
Uptown funk you up.
Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Come on. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Hey, hey. Saturday night we in the spot. Don't believe it, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 hey. Uptown funk you up. 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 Come on. Don't believe it, just watch. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. May rap yun eh. May rap yun.
Meron pa yun? Meron pa
May
yun.
rap.
Hindi ko ngayon lang natin nalaman, meron pala yung uptown funk you up.
May rap yun.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How did it look? How did it feel?
May kasama na ako.
Kasama yan, kasama yan.
Kasama na ako sa
Welcome, welcome, welcome sa Dakas Bar. Special ang set natin ngayong Saturday, ha? Dahil kasama natin ang Asia's Acoustic Sensation, Dabber Cats natin, Ice Singtera!
Number guys.
At ang bagong flip popper.
Oh, yes!
Ay,
Kumusta na kayo? Dabber Gods, magandang tanghali sa inyo. So, ready na ba kayo sa mga kanta i-request ninyo?
mga request.
Ready na ba? Okay.
Ready na! Tapos sa mga legit tabakansin natin na Team Online, mag-comment na kayo sa mga gusto nyong mga marinig yung kanta.
Oo, kung hirap kayong ipadala yung tip nyo, i-Gcash na lang.
Ano? Ano na?
Shout out sa mga kasama natin dito sa ABD Studios, Miss Philippines Australia.
Wow.
Oh, until Miss Philippines Australia, andun yung representative ng Filipino Australia in Sydney. Oh.
Welcome to ABD Studios. Welcome to
This October. Philippine Fiesta doon sa Sydney. Andiyan yung kaibigan ko mayaman yun, no? Yung may nakaitim
O, tara,
na yun.
lapitan na
Sino dyan?
natin.
May ari ng yate.
Hindi kami naniniwala.
Mamaya magre-request yan, bibigyan tayo ng yate.
Hindi, Englishin mo para mas maintindihan ko.
Ikaw mag-English.
Sir, Alan Kay told me that you're rich.
He is.
I can believe it, you're
Because
rich.
he is.
Prove it.
Later. Okay? We will ask you your favorite song later. And we will sing that for you.
Kaya
In exchange for... Wala.
Kaya kahit saan man kayo nandun, kasama namin kayong kumanta ngayon.
Yeah.
Okay, ano yung mga request? Sino dyan? Agad-agad?
Agad-agad?
Agad.
Oh, buksan na natin agad ang
simulan
request
natin.
natin.
Ando na.
Meron na.
Meron na agad.
Di ko alam yan.
Magandang
Wala
bukas
pa.
na, magandang bukas ah. 500 agad.
500.
Galing kay Nip Vargas of Baligot, Cainta.
Baligot yan, ha?
Mayaman yan, taga
Oo,
Baligot.
Bali Golf yan.
Request
Golfer
niya, Sway.
Sway?
Sway.
Alam niyo yun.
Alam namin yan.
Just when you sway the...
Di yun.
Iba, yung Michael Bublé. Ay, kaya ang key, G
Sway,
minor,
Michael
A
Bublé.
minor.
Sorry.
G minor or A minor? Wow. G minor.
Sway.
Yan. When marimba rhythm starts to play, hey, dance with me, hey, sway with me. Like the lazy ocean hugs the shore, but don't let me close, sway me more. Like the flower bending in the breeze, bend with me, sway with me. When we dance, we have a way with me, stay with me, dance with me. All the dancers may be on the floor, but we will sing only you. You have the magic technique when we sway and we I can hear the love burn. Gone before, play with me. Make it real as only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now. Make it real as only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now.
Galing!
500 pesos. Pink.
Galing ni Al.
Pang 550 yan, ha? Pang 550. Pang 550 yung ginawa mo.
Panahon kasi yan, yung sway, sino kumanta nun. Kailangan, ganun din.
Uy, bata pa si Michael Bublé.
Ah, okay. Ah, Bublé. Ah, diba? Okay.
Next!
Ay, meron ba?
Wait lang po.
Okay.
Ay.
Sorry.
Magkano yan?
Oy, kanina
Maganda to,
500.
$1,000.
Hoy! Kaya ni Ay.
One book.
Kaya ni Ay siya.
Kukumpletuhin ang kanta
Maganda
niya.
yan. Kailangan maganda yan, ha?
Mahirap yan.
Uy, galing na Australia.
Ay!
From Australia.
Si Mena Santos.
Saan po si Ayun, si Ate Mena.
Wow, kaya pala maputi.
Kasama ng Miss Philippines Australia.
Yes, at Little Miss Philippines,
Kaya
Australia.
pala maputi,
Kasama din
nagmemena.
natin ng Miss Philippines Bulacan.
Uy! Aba, andyan din.
Santa Maria!
At Little Miss Philippines
Antipolo. Yeah.
Ang request niya ay perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay, alam ko yan.
Alam ni Ice
Huwag kayong
yan.
magalala, guys. Ito yung henerasyon ko.
Oh, sige, sige.
Pumuna kayo
Sige,
mga
sige.
medyo may katandaan.
Ed Sheeran yan.
Oh,
Ed
po kayo
Sheeran.
mga matatanda. Oh.
Ed Sheeran ha, hindi yung... di ba may perfect na local?
You are
Perfect. Oh, iba yun. Banda yun. Ed
May
Sheeran.
banda yun eh. Ito, Ed Sheeran.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ang galing! Ang
Wala
galing!
pa, bossing.
Thank you.
Wala pa.
Ay, buuhin mo yan 1,000 niya.
1,000 na.
Darling, just dive out and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just
kaya pala medley yung
Siyempre,
tinira mo.
siyempre. Mas malaki, mas maganda, bossing.
Oo, bossing.
Nakagawa ng paraan.
Correct.
Bossing, magbigay ka ng 5,000. May fireworks sa labas.
Gusto nyo bang talunin yung 1,000, bossing? May lalapitan na ako. Yun yung may-ari nung yate sa
Hindi ako naniniwala sa mga sinasabi mo, Alan.
Hey, Joe!
Ay, bawal
Hey,
lumapit.
Joe!
Hey, Daddy.
This is my friend from Australia.
Hi, friend.
When we were there,
Yeah.
he took
here.
us all in his yacht and we traveled through the Sydney River and we went to the Harbor Bridge. Any song you want to listen to? What's your favorite?
My way.
Yan, Alan, kantayin mo na yan. Magkatapusan na tayo dito.
Sir, the singers of My Way in the Philippines are gone down.
No problem, Alan. No problem.
It's okay. How much? I'm ready to die.
How much? He's ready to die.
Suicide. Suicide.
1,000 pesos.
1,000 pesos.
Ha?
Kaya mo na yan, Alan. Kaya mo na yan.
We might die because of My Way.
Mama Alan, ikaw yung lumapit, ikaw daw ang kumanta.
Alan.
How
Alan.
about your way?
Your
Yes,
way.
Tito Sen.
Na Sydney ka, kasama mo sila?
Oo.
Dinala ka sa King's Cross?
Oo.
O ba't natatawa
Tawag-tawa ito pag sinabing King's Cross, oh.
Mga taga-Australia, natatawa kayo, ha?
Tawag-tawa, Tito Sen, sa King's Cross.
Sinabi King's Cross, ha?
Doon nga nila ako nilagay na hotel, yung walking distance sa yung King's Cross. Naunawaan nila yung mga bagay-bagay.
O, Alan, magkano daw yan?
What I mean is, for perfect, they give us 1,000. My Way will endanger our lives, so I think we deserve something higher than 1,000.
Nosum Doma.
What?
Nosum Doma.
Nelson Dorma? No, My Way is fine. My Way is fine. How much? Do you like the song?
Yeah.
How much do you like the song?
2,000 pesos.
2,000. Where?
Segurista ka
Siyempre,
pa.
iba na yun, ano? Money down.
D. What? O, yung mga kasama niya sumisigaw, ano?
Higher down.
Oo.
Ay, ang dami!
Hindi ako naniniwala.
Ang dami nga! Ayan, oh.
Ay,
2,000.
nakakadena yung wallet eh. Talagang marami lang.
Oh, 3,000.
Kailangan pa ng cutter.
3,000, bossing,
Sanay sa
3,000.
sikwatan to.
My way.
Oy, kaya mo, Alan. Halika dito.
Oh.
Excuse me, Alan Kay. Pwedeng anong pangalan niya?
Mike.
Mike, this is your request.
Mahirap yan.
My way.
Biyan mo si Alan dito.
Letter D. Key of D. Key of E. E. You wanna sing with me?
May kumakasa na.
Dinaas pa, ha?
And now...
You couldn't pay me enough.
What? Oh, pag kumanta daw siya rin ang babayaran ko, hindi rin. Baka layo-layo na, baka bawiin pa. And now... Australia number 1! The end is near.
Alan Gay.
And so I face the same old faces.
What?
My friend, I say clear. I say my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this I did in my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, to be rude and mention, I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. Might have planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway and more. more than this. I didn't mind. Well, what is a man? What has he got? Him not himself. Then he has not. Just say the phrase I truly feel. Yeah, nothing worse. I'm the one who deals the regular shows. I turn up lows and did it
Kabalan!
Wala man nagsumalo.
Ang galing, Alan Kay, no? Pang Australia talaga yung kanta.
Siyempre, 3,000 yun.
3,000.
Galing, iba talaga.
Thank you very much, Mike.
Thank you, Mike. Good time, Mike.
See you the last night.
Online, online. May request online.
Online.
Yeah, online
Team
yan.
online.
Ah, Gcash yan.
One Tap, ano yan, Ro?
RD.
One Tap RD, nag-request si One Tap RD.
Overjoyed
daw,
naman po
overjoyed.
kayo. Ay, it's overjoyed.
Ayan,
Overjoyed
boy.
yan.
Oh.
Stevie Wonder.
Yes, Stevie Wonder.
Kaya mo yan.
Alright, sige, game. Okay,
Kaya mo
gusto,
yan, Aisha.
gusto ko yan.
Kaya
Paborito
mo
ko
na
yan.
yan.
Kami, hindi namin kaya.
Over time, I've been building my castle of love, just for two. Though you never knew you were my reason, I've gone much too far for you now to say that I've got to throw my castle away over dreams. I have picked out a perfect come true. Though you never knew it was of you I've been dreaming. The Sandman has come from too far away for you to say come back some other day. And though you don't believe that they do come true. For did my dreams come true when I looked at you? And maybe too if you would believe, you too might be overjoyed, over love, over me. And though they all say improbable, what do they know? For in a romance, a true love needs is a chance. And maybe with a chance you will find you too like I, overjoyed, over love, over you. Over Ayan, paputok. Backwards.
Okay.
Grabe.
Meron pa?
Wala na. May
Meron
dapat
ito, pero tebang lang.
20. Okay na yun. Pag Joey.
7. Hindi kasi, pagbigyan nyo na, bagong panganak eh. Kanina kinanta mo Sway.
Oh.
Gusto raw niya Suhe. Suhe.
Suhe.
Ganun din.
Hindi. Suhe.
Suhey.
Nakapason ta mo, Tandansora.
Yan. 20 yan.
Ito yung pina-English ko isang araw. No?
Ay, oo. Boss Joe.
In one word, sa English, yung pusong bato. Heart.
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 Yeah.
Heart.
Heart.
Oh, heart, tsaka tinguli. Heart. Okay, pusong bato. Mercy Baltasar.
Alam ni
Ate
Wally yan.
Mercy.
Ano yan?
20
Pusong
lang
bato.
ha, pero...
20.
Pero okay din yan.
Nang ikay. Ganun.
Pare, 20 lang eh. 20 lang.
20.
Tumawag yung sumulat niyan ha. Sama na daw kayo.
Tsugi na yun eh. Si ano pangalan nun? Basta.
Ano pa? Online. Basta online, marami nagre-request online.
Online?
Ay, hindi. Mano-mano yan.
Kaya
No?
ba mag-request my birthday?
Yan, no? Kano yan? 10?
Ay!
500?
Parang ibang pera.
Uy! Ano to?
Oy, dolyares.
Dollar.
Pounds?
Green.
Yun na, si Hamilton pa ata yan.
Pero parang mamula-mula.
80.
Galing sa sunog. Galing sa sunog.
$10.
$10. 500.
Okay.
Sino ba ang $10? Jackson?
May bagong lipunan.
Nagulat ako, green na pera. Baka nilumot na pera lang yan, ha?
Nakakita mo yung pusa, bossing.
Tiga Florida, USA.
Florida!
Tiga
Oh,
Florida.
yun.
Oh, yun oh.
Hey, from Florida.
Welcome back!
You lady are from Florida.
Myra Epino
Uy.
Buti? Oo, okay. Ang request niya ay cruising.
Cruising.
Ay, kaya yan. Santa
Dali
Cruz.
lang, ma'am.
Galing de Salve.
Galing ka po Florida. Ilang years ka po sa Florida?
7.
7 years?
Florida Blanca?
$10 ang kinita mo? Uy. charing lang, ma'am. Kakantahan ka ni Ice. Cruising!
Ayo, do it too.
Shout
Do it
out din
na yan.
sa Espino family.
Cruising EDSA.
magdescend.
ano
Yan.
Malaki-laki.
5-0. 5-0.
5-0, galing kay Little Miss Philippines, Australia.
Aba,
Oh, what's your name,
Chloe.
baby?
Chloe Lofthouse. Yeah, si Chloe from Sydney.
Chloe.
9 years old ka lang pala. Ay, gusto request kay Maine.
Ay, patay.
Bengay, paano yung
From Maine, sabi niya.
Baka tayo po lang.
Ang nire-request, I can, you can, Bulacan.
You can Bulacan.
I can, by Donna Cruz.
Hello?
Aray!
Ano ba yan? Oh.
Ako lang, Tito
Request
Sen.
eh, oh.
For me na yun.
Oh.
Eh, di bubusa ko na to, Tito Sen.
Halika dito, Maine!
Ladies and gentlemen, man! Uy!
Uy, Maine, dito, Maine!
Sobra! Dito lang. Hanggang dito lang.
Ala. Direct eyes.
Oh, sabay tayo. O tara, sabay tayo.
Help me, please.
Chorus ba? Chorus sa part. Game?
Ba't kayo nagtatago dyan kay Alan? Dito
Tara, sabay tayo.
Cruising, kumakanta ka eh. Ay, yan.
Pambatang hamog.
I can live, I can love. Yeah. I can reach the heavens above. I can right what is wrong. I can sing just any song. I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be I can love you until the end. Okay na yun.
Di ba? 500 yun eh.
Ay, ganun ba?
Mahaba-haba ng konti.
Okay, mamala. Yeah.
Hindi British.
Sinusayaw.
Tulungan niyo kasi ako. Hindi ako kumakanta.
Oh, isa pa. I can live, I can love, I can reach the
Kaya natin ang pangalan.
Yun,
I
oh.
can right what is wrong. I can sing just any song. Let's go now, Rats.
Tutulungan ka daw.
Kakantayin ni Little Miss Philippines, Australia.
Rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end.
Alam mo ba, gets?
Ala,
I love it.
Mga batang hamog. Shout out. Kanta natin to.
Bago may recruit from Australia, si Chloe.
Thank you, Chloe. Thank you.
Chorus.
I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above.
I can right what is wrong. I can sing just a song. I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end. Thank you, Chloe.
Thank you, Chloe!
Thank you.
Ay, ito maganda.
Thank you, Britney.
Thank you, Maine!
Thank you, man, guy.
Online. Online. Request ni Heart Evangelista.
Heart?
Sabi ni Hart.
Totoo ba to, Tito Sen?
Heart.
Hindi si Heart yan.
H-E-R-T.
This is hard.
Yan o. Heart o. Heart Evangelista.
Total
Ay,
Eclipse.
gusto ko to kay Alan. Total Eclipse of the Heart. Total Eclipse
of the Heart.
Taas nyo, okay. Taas nyo.
Total eclipse of the hurt daw. Ayan o. Hurt.
Magkano yan?
Yan, dog sa
Yan.
inyo.
Wala.
Bombo Radio Pilipino. This is Double B.
Mga likers.
Bust.
Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and you never come around. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to the sound of the tears. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit nervous if the best of all the years have gone by. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified of your
Turn around, bright eyes.
Every now and then I fall apart.
Turn around, bright eyes.
Every now and then I fall apart.
Every now and then I get a little reversed. The symmetry is showing light.
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit helpless, and I'm light like a child in your arms. Every now and then I get a little bit angry, and I know I gotta get out and cry. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified, and then I see the look in your eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then I fall apart. And I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you'll only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. And we'll only be making it right. 'Cause we'll never be wrong, boy, like together we can take it to the Forever's gonna start tonight. Forever's gonna start tonight.
Falling in love. Now I'm only falling apart. There's nothing I can do. The total eclipse of the heart. Once upon a time there was light in my life. Now there's only love in the dark. Nothing I can say. The total eclipse of the heart.
Wally! Wally! Halika, halika dito. Bigay mo kay Alan. Kailangan.
Gusto niyo talaga. The total eclipse of the
Tama yan. Maganda yan para manhid na yung ano mo. Mas tataas pa ang boses mo.
The total eclipse of the heart. Once upon a time there was light in my life. Now it's all the love in the dark. Nothing I can say. Total eclipse of the heart.
Ano ba si? Ano ba sabi nyo?
May special request para kay Alan pa rin. Yung ano, nagsinungaling ba ako?
Wag na lang yun. Iba naman.
Playback nyo na lang.
Hindi makakanta. Hindi rin makakanta ngayon yung nagsinungaling ba ako.
Hindi na-rehearse niya.
Panoorin nyo na lang sa YouTube. At,
Pinromote mo pa talaga, ha? Pinromote mo pa talaga. Hindi naman ako kumikita.
malapit na mag 1 billion na views.
Ay!
Oo.
Hindi naman ako kumikita doon. Gagawa nga ako ng bago.
Ito, request ni Corenz. Ano to? Online?
Online.
Wala ba tayong offline?
na to,
Online talaga. Long Train Running!
Ay, ganda yan.
Ganda yan.
Kami ni Jose! Kami ni Jose!
Kondo niyo yan sa clowns.
Dabar ka.
Long yan. Tubig, brother. Ayan na.
Kasi yung parting rap, pakisulat mo lang, ha?
Yes,
Gusto
buddy. Masyado lang mabilis yung idiot board eh.
Gusto ko pag-aralan eh.
For documentation lang.
Di, saka basta si Jose ang kumanta, talagang malino na
Malinaw.
Isang malaking karangan lang po at sa inyo po nang galing yung mga ganyang salita. Salamat po. Tira.
Ang diction talagang dinig na dinig. At maintindihan ko talaga.
Linaw.
Diction. Tawag
Ano?
ng diction.
Ano, meron pa?
Meron pa ba?
Meron pa.
Bigyan na.
Gusto niyo pa ng
Gusto
rap?
nyo pa?
Gusto niyo pa ng rap?
Eto pa, meron pa.
Bitin pa daw kami.
Pahabol, bitin.
Ito, pahabol. Pwede ba?
Pahabol.
Last
Last na.
Pagbibigyan
pagbigyan
natin ito, taga South Cotabato. Okay.
Asa po yung mga taga South Cotabato? Ayun.
Okay.
Sa likod, oh.
Gloria Sokita. Okay. Aisha, pagdating ng panahon. Oo, magandang ending ko.
What a way to finish this set.
Kaya ni Alan yan.
Alam ko hindi mo pansin. Narito lang ako. Naghihintay na mahalin. Mapapansin mo rin, mapapansin mo rin. Alam kong di mo makita, narito lang ako. Hinihintay lagi kita, umaasa kahit di man ngayon. Hanapin mo rin, hahanapin din. Pagdating ng panahon, baka ikaw rin ako. Baka tibok ng puso ko'y maging tibok ng puso mo. Sana'y mangyari yun, kahit di pa lang ngayon. Sana ay mahalin mo rin pagdating ng panahon. Hindi pa siguro bukas, di pa rin ngayon. Malay mo palang araw, dumating din yan. Pagdating ng panahon, baka ikaw rin ako. Baka tibok ng puso ko'y maging tibok ng puso mo. Sana'y mangyari yun, kahit di pa lang ngayon. At sana ay mahalin mo rin pagdating panahon. Thank you.
Ang ganda na eh! Ang ganda na eh!
Ay, sige!
Kala ko natapos na seryoso eh.
Oh, ito ha.
Meron pa?
Umiiyak bossing eh.
Ito, ah.
Kaya pumigil lang si Aisa eh. Naiyak eh.
Na lang ako.
Oy, tinatanong
Ay,
nila.
marami na tayo naipon, ha? Yung mga tip,
Marami
ha?
nang naipon, ha?
Talaga?
Yes,
Thank
may
you,
pang
thank
down
you.
na.
Tinatanong nila. Di natin alam kung magkano yan. Tinatanong nila ano daw gagawin natin dyan.
Ayan.
Naku po kasi, ano? Bigyan natin sa audience.
Ha? Totoo? Team ABD? Babalik din natin sa kanila?
Oo, itaas ang mga numero!
Swerte!
Para dumating si Moses, ha?
Nahati, bossing, yung gitna!
Bossing! Kami kumanta eh.
Ha?
Kami kumanta.
Ay, tayo, nagpapasalamat naman sila sa inyo.
Ay.
Para for once in our lives, gumawa tayo ng maganda.
Basta lahat ng laman na ito, mapupunta doon sa mabubunot natin, okay?
Hindi na. Kala ko may pang down na ako.
Pwede ba namin bilangin?
Hindi na. Bahala na siya magbilang kung sino
Basta
man ito.
ngayon pa lang, may 3,000 na si Mark. Ang dami pang 1,500.
Napakadami.
Nung nagdaang mga linggo pa.
May kit
Na kulay na!
Ano, Moses? Ano?
Mula!
Pula!
Red Sea! Parting of the Red Sea! Wala!
Ay, ito na nga. 5 2 O, bukas na yung pangatlo. 8 5 2 8 5 2 8
Lalaki.
Nasa tuktok.
Makikirahan lang po. Pagdaanin po natin yung bisita natin.
Pasok from Japan.
Tabi-tabi.
Yes.
Ay, boss.
Hosi mo yun!
Easy.
Shaolin.
Easy.
Shaolin.
Wala, di ka laban, di ka laban.
Ano pangalan?
Rodel po.
Romel.
Rodel.
Rodel.
Rodel. Taga saan?
Bulacan.
Ha? Ganyan yung suot sa Bulacan?
Ganyan na sa amin.
Bakit ganyan ang suot mo?
Talent yan, talent.
Style. Anime.
Style anime?
Anime.
Oh.
Shampoo din pag may tahan.
Wala, kasama yan. Kasama yan. Tanggalin mo.
Coming from me.
Subukan mo tanggalin yan.
Okay.
Ay.
Oy, Mr. Anime. Eto,
Tingnan mo nga naman.
sa'yo na yan. Pero ibalik mo yung kahon, ha? Yung laman lang, yung laman.
Thank you po, bossing. Thank you, Itbulaga. And
Rodel.
thank you po sa lahat ng mga nag-abono sa...
Oh, okay na. Oh, si Juan!
Thank you. Congrats, Rodel.
Congratulations!
Okay, ingat ka. Last na yan, ha?
Uy.
Okay.
Mga Dabarkads, give it up for Dabarkads Jose, Wally, Alan K, and Ice Sita!
Tuloy-tuloy lang ang Saturday Banding kasama kaming mga legit Dabber Gods. Magbabalik!
Magbabalik.
Kami.
Magbabalik.